Hey guys, today I want to take a look at how to subdivide the line. Here is a scenario I had. I was laying out some utilities and I had a run between two manholes, and so I had a manhole here at the end, manhole here at the end. However, they were asked me for some layout and offsets, and I wanted to prepare that in advance in my business center, so when I get out there I can just click on the point and lay it out. So under the CAD we have something called created intervals. So it says create points at intervals. I'm gonna select my line which I want to subdivide. I'm gonna put my interval there, which is so I have, well, I draw the line about 500 meters, so let's go every 100 meters I want to have a point. It's asking me the point name, layer, and create grid points, and it's asking me horizontal offset. I'm gonna put 1.5 meters, and vertical offset, if I had that I could input that in. So let's see if that worked. So as you can see, I have created, I'm gonna put in show point, so point 1000 is at the beginning, and I'm gonna kind of measure whether it's 1.5 meters, and then I have between point 1000 and point 1001 I have 100 meters, and point 1001 I'm gonna put in the perpendicular snap. Did I click that perpendicular snap? Yeah, I did. I'm gonna measure that distance just to make sure. Or maybe I'm why is not snapping perpendicular? Oh, perpendicular, yeah, perpendicular point midpoint. Not sure why that is not snapping. Wonder why my snap is not working. Okay, so my automatic snap is not working for some reason, so I'm just gonna right click here, go perpendicular to segment, and as you can see it's snapping there, so at 1.5 meters. The same thing here. It is turned on, but obviously decided not to snap. So 1.5 meters. So as you can see, all along I had what was it, 500 something meter, 566 meters. So divided it by 100, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the end points. So this would be a quick and easy way how to divide a segment or a line into points, into intervals. So hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.